What's good? What's the poppin' with you? Now you already know by the title what we doing today. We will be doing a little bang hairstyle. Period. I will be trying out cutting bangs for the first time because I need to start practicing on new stuff. So we just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna braid my hair down, and we just gonna get right into it. And that's just on period. What? Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below and leave a comment 1 through 10 how you think I did on my hairstyle at the end of the video. And that's just on period. Guys, I'm actually just gonna section my hair off and just start braiding it. Whew. Okay. I'm actually just doing 2 sections and then braiding it to the back. And then when I finish my braids, I will come back and tell you guys what else I'm doing. Just stay tuned. And that's just on period. So I will be doing these all over my head just to clear it up. And come back, of course, period. Just let's get into it because I'm already feeling these braids. But we ain't gonna be looking like this forever. So let's just do it. Okay, guys, as you can see, I actually put oil and stuff in my hair, grease as well, and I just put a cap on, did my edges, just because I know it's gonna be, when I do the little bang and stuff and I put it in a ponytail, it's gonna have like little swoops, but that's what I did, period. Now stay tuned. After I'm done making my wig, it is it. And I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing my bang as well because it's my first time doing it, and I want you guys to be here. Period. Okay? Let's just get right into it. Ah. Guys, after I finished my braid, put the oil, got the cap, I actually finished the wig. It looked very nice. I'm gonna actually cut it on my head, so we're just gonna take this off if you guys didn't hear me. We got this. We got this. Hold on. Move out the way, bald head. Oh, she was about to fall. even it out. So we're gonna go in and actually fix the I can't see. How we gonna do the bang is actually make a triangle part. When you do this, you shouldn't make it too big because when you cut it, it's gonna spread. So, okay, we can slide this back out here. Put this in a rubber band. So what you do is take your comb it out, comb it to your nose, and then from there you actually start twisting it. And then once you cut it, should be like a bang. Do it look good, you guys? I'm blind. So, and if you want it shorter, let me see. A little wig sliding off, but okay. See, I actually want it shorter, so this is the method I'm trying to do, but it's not coming out right. Okay, first of all, okay, take it like that. I'm trying to do it. I can't do it with the comb, you guys. You twisting it and it gives it like the ball effect thing. Do it look better? It do, you guys. So then I'm gonna take my little cutting the ends, or trimming it, making it not as weird looking. Then we got this. So now for the flat iron everything and come back, do an outro and show you guys how it came out. I don't know, is it uneven? Comment down below how y'all think it's going. So, it's gonna come back, period. I curled the bang, so, I don't know, girl. Then comb it like that. Comment down below, you guys, because I'm not sure. Maybe I should pull up. Then comb it. Maybe it's too long now. Maybe bangs ain't for me, so okay. Now we for the flat iron the rest of this and come back. Period. Okay, you guys, I just got done flat ironing it over, and I'm actually gonna add spritz to this part because, as you can see, it's like a little circle there. I ain't trying to have nothing sticking out or nothing. Okay, we're trying to have our wig looking on point. Everything should go everywhere. The wig coming off, right? Now, if you want your wig to stay, you better put some bobby pins or something. But I ain't going nowhere, so I'm good. Hmm. I'm looking pretty. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product. Period. I actually did a freaking wig with a bang. Like, that's just so crazy. Like, I'm actually trying stuff new. So comment down below how you guys think this went and what you guys think I should do next, because I'm ready. Period. Maybe I should have thinning this out, but it is what it is. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and turn on that notification button because I will be posting. And that's just on period. So yeah, peace out. A little quick wig, little thing or whatever. But whoa.